Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using your laptop's web camera. First, open the Start menu, go to the All Applications, then scroll down, open your camera, let camera access your microphone and camera, and after that select the last option, which is the scan barcode, and then face your QR code to the laptop's web camera, and the link will appear on your screen. Click on it to open, select the browser that you want to open it with, and you will get transferred to the resource you wanted to reach using this QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.